Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn general knowledge. If you like the video, please subscribe. First, name a disease that is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C. Options are beriberi, scurvy, anemia, goiter. Correct answer scurvy. Amla, oranges, and lemons are vitamin C contained food. Second, name the spice which adds a yellow color to the food. Options ginger, clove, turmeric, pepper. Correct answer turmeric. It is a common spice and a major ingredient in curry powder. It has many medicinal values. 3. Which dried flower buds relieves toothache? Options rose, cardamom, clove, lotus. Correct answer clove. Clove is a spice. It relieves toothache. 4. Who was the greatest Mughal ruler? Babar, Humayun, Akbar, Shah Jahan. Correct answer Akbar. Akbar was the third Mughal emperor. He conquered a number of kingdoms and brought the greater part of India under his control. 5. Which is the flying mammal? What are the mammals? Mammals are a group of animals that give birth to babies and feed them with their milk. Here options bat, duck, insect, rat. Answer bat. 6. Who was Shah Jahan's father? Options Nadir Shah, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Shivaji. Correct answer is Jahangir. He was the fourth Mughal emperor. Jahangir was the son of Akbar the Great. 7. The study of the structure of the body. Options archaeology, anatomy, botany, ecology. Correct answer is anatomy. Anatomy is a science that studies the structure of the body. 8. The Taj Mahal was built in the memory of options Jahangir, Mumtaz Mahal, Humayun, Akbar. Shah Jahan built the famous monument, the Taj Mahal, at Agra, the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. 9. Which is the staple food in northern and northwestern India? Options rice, wheat, ragi, sugar. Correct answer wheat. Wheat is a cereal. Different kinds of staple foods are used in different parts of the world. 10. From which plant do we get jaggery? Options sugarcane, rice, wheat, apple. Answer sugarcane. Sugar and jaggery are making from sugarcane juice. 11. Which bone protects the spinal cord? Options skull, rib cage, backbone, limbs. Correct answer backbone. The backbone is one of the most important parts of the skeleton. The backbone surrounds the spinal cord and protects it from jerks and injuries. 12. What is the product of any number and 1? Multiplication answer is product. Options 1, 0, same number, 2. Correct answer same number. 13. What is the product of any number and 0? Options 0, same number, 1, any number. Correct answer 0. Example, if we multiply 10 by 0, we get 0. 14. An imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. Options: latitude, altitude, axis, equator. Correct answer: axis. Earth constantly rotates on its axis. Two ends of the axis of the earth are called the poles. 16. A book of maps. Options: globe, atlas, map, drawing. An atlas is a collection of maps. It is typically a bundle of maps of Earth or a region of Earth. 17. Which is the most important latitude and also called the Great Circle? Options: axis, equator, poles, and meridians. Correct answer: equator. The equator is an imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and South Pole. 18. Land animals that live mostly on trees. Options: arboreal animals, aerial animals, amphibians, aquatic animals. Correct answer: arboreal animals. Example for arboreal animals: monkeys, lizard, squirrels, etc. 19. Animals that have disappeared from the earth. Options: endangered animals, extinct animals, wild animals, domestic animals. Correct answer: extinct animals. Due to deforestation and dirtying of soil, air, and water, the population of many animals are reducing gradually. Many animals have disappeared from earth. Dodo is an example for an extinct animal. 20. What is the breathing organ of a tadpole? Options: spiracles, gills, skin, lungs. Correct answer: gills. Tadpole is the young one of the frog. Frog breathe through their lungs and moist skin, but tadpole breathe through their gills because tadpoles are aquatic. 21. Which is the largest and highly developed part of the brain? Options: cerebrum, cerebellum, spinal cord, medulla. Correct answer: cerebrum. Brain is made up of three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum is responsible for thinking, learning, intelligence, memory, and logic. 22. The distance around a circle is called its diameter, radius, chord, circumference. Correct answer: circumference. The length of the circumference is about equal to 3 times the length of the diameter. How we can find the circumference of a circle? 3 into diameter. 23. Repeated subtraction is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Correct answer: division. 24. The number obtained as a result of multiplication. Options: sum, difference, product, quotient. Correct answer: product. Example: 4 multiplied by 2. Answer is 8. That is product. 25. Which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? Options: the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Correct answer: the Pacific Ocean. It is almost circular in shape. It separates the Americas from Asia and Australia. 26. Which is the world's deepest trench? Options: Tonga Trench, Japan Trench, Mariana Trench, Philippine Trench. Correct answer, Mariana Trench, which has depth of 10,994 meter. This trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean. It is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. 27. What are the major land masses called? Options: oceans, continents, canals. None of this. Correct answer, continents. There are 7 continents. Asia is the biggest continent. 28. Name a disease caused by the deficiency of iodine. Options: beriberi, goiter, scurvy, anemia. Correct answer, goiter. The most common cause of goiter is lack of iodine in the diet. Seafood and salt are contain iodine. Swollen gland in the neck and improper growth are the symptoms of goiter. 29. Which part of the brain controls activities like heartbeat, breathing, sneezing, and swallowing? Options: medulla, cerebrum, cerebellum, and spinal cord. Correct answer, medulla. Medulla is also called the brain stem. The brain is connected to the spinal cord through the medulla. 30. Which of these affect the climate of a place? Options: distance from the equator, altitude, distance from the sea, all of this. Correct answer, all of this. 31. What kind of climate do coastal areas have? Options: dry, humid, cold, none of this. Correct answer, humid. Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. High humidity makes human beings uncomfortable because perspiration does not dry up immediately. 32. Which angle is less than 90 degree? Options: acute angle, right angle, straight angle, obtuse angle. Correct answer, acute angle. 33. Which is the only movable bone in the skull? Options: the bone of the upper jaw, the bone of the lower jaw, eyes, nose. Correct answer, the bone of the lower jaw. We eat, talk, sing, and smile only when the lower jaw moves. 34. Which deadly diseases can be caused due to the bite of a dog or a monkey? Options: jaundice, sprain, rickets, rabies. The bite of an infected dog, bat, or monkey spreads this rabies disease. 35. How many pairs of ribs are present in our rib cage? Options: 2 pairs, 12 pairs, 5 pairs, and 7 pairs. Correct answer, 12 pairs. The ribs form a cage-like structure or called a rib cage. It protects lungs and heart. 36. Which is an amphibian? Options: fish, salamander, turtle, shark. Correct answer, salamander. Animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. 37. Which angle is equal to 90 degree? Options: right angle, acute angle, rectangle, triangle. Correct answer, right angle. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.